Hello and welcome to COL 111. This course is designed to help you figure out how to best learn online. I just realized my name is spelled wrong up here. Right there, no G. Anyway, I'm going to quickly go through some things you need to know. Clearly, this is the announcements page when you get on Blackboard. This is going to tell you new things coming up, and I sent you an email that just gives you everything that's happening. The first thing you want to do is notice on this side all the links, so you can click on instructor info and see how to email me. And we can set up a phone call if you want. If you go to syllabus and info, you can see everything you need to know about the class, and this is really important, is that you look at the course plan. Okay, this document, you just click on it, course plan, and it's going to tell you everything that's happening in this course. Okay, make sure this video is for all my classes, so this might not be your section number. Make sure you do this yourself in your class, but it's going to tell you for the 4 weeks, which go by very quickly, what's due, when it's due. And we also have 2 sessions where you have to be there in person, not in person, but you have to log on at the same time and do a collaborate. So you need to be available at one of the 2 times I've listed. So go ahead and look at your schedule, find out what time works best for you and put that on there. This is just a few weeks away. And then your final exam, okay? So that is very important that you go ahead and look at this and write down everything that's due and when it's due. So if we go back into Blackboard, we also have the course syllabus, which tells you how the course is graded and all the details of what the purpose of the course is, etc. Course content tells you things about Blackboard, also gives you all the material for the class. So reading about what you need to be prepared for, to learn online, to learn in college, how to get organized, all these things, how to use the library. All that's in here. And as we go on, week 2 will pop up, week 3, etc. And course tools. This is mostly what you're going to need this for is when you do collaborate. That's where we all log in together and do an online session. That's here. There's also some other things like online tutoring, your grades, journals, discussion board is here. You're going to have to do some discussion boards in this class, etc. And then we have assignments. So just we're on week 1. If you click on here, you'll have all the assignments, all right? Each one is going to be a little different. So some, like this, you actually download a document and fill it out. But some, you just click on here and it's a discussion board, and some are quizzes. But if you need to do something with a document, you download the document, okay? It's going to come here. Then you'll open it, edit it, save it, all that jazz, okay? And then you go into the title of the document, of the assignment rather, and then you're going to browse your computer. You'll find what you just did, and it'll upload. Well, you know, browse your computer, pick it, upload it, and then submit. And that's how you submit an assignment. And you should get an email confirming that you submitted something, right? Make sure you're reading all the directions and you're doing all the details needed for each assignment. This assignment you have to rename it, you have to save it a certain way, etc., etc., all right? And that is it. Then you can also look at my grades here. And here you'll find your grades, and if I made a comment, look here, it'll show a little like talk box. So if you're like, why did I only get 50%? You look on here and it'll tell you, I will tell you, this is why. It's just something you need to fix. You can submit again, but I'll give you all that information and it'll be in a little talkie box. It's like one of those little talk bubbles. Okay, that's it for now. I hope this was helpful.